I was born in Ontario, Canada, but I grew up mostly in Billings, Montana, before I finished high school up in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. After high school, I moved down to Tijuana, Mexico, where I lived for a year, where I was volunteering with missions mobilization organization. What we did is we would go out and build houses for families that couldn't afford them. I would say through that whole experience, I learned that my life has a purpose and that purpose is so much greater than myself, and that God's called me to go and serve other people. I've been at JHA for 10 years now. I would say the biggest reason why I've stayed for 10 years was that Joe has been an excellent boss, an excellent leader. I view him more than just a boss, I view him as a friend. Just seeing how he's leading the company, the direction that he's taking JHA, I want to be a part of that. We give away 30% of the profit to organizations around the world that are promoting the gospel of Jesus Christ. I don't think there's a lot of companies that are doing that. I think there are some, but it really stems from Joe's heart to be generous and to give away. My most educational learning experience was being the construction manager for the Tannery Place project in Montrose. What I had done previously was all self-performing the work, and I really had to learn a different set of skills and a different set of values. I think that I initially felt bad about not being hands-on in the work, and I had to learn that in order for the team to be successful, I had to stay ahead of them. And I had to be 1 or 2 or 3 steps ahead of them so that I could actually lead them to where they need to be next and really set them up for success. But if I was constantly trying to get my hands dirty and get back in the work, we'd constantly stall out each step of the way. I've been in a lot of different roles during my time, which has been exciting for me. I'm constantly being pushed into the next role and having to learn more new things. I think one of the things at JHA is that growth is really a non-option. Everybody needs to grow and is required to grow, and for me, it's being put into roles that I've felt like were beyond my abilities, but having the backup and the encouragement to be put in those positions that has allowed me to really grow. I have a beautiful wife, Lainey. I've been married for 13 years now. And then we have 3 kids. So I have a daughter, Sierra, who's 8, a son, Elliot, who's 5, and our littlest, Silas, is 2 years old now. I just love spending time with my family, playing in the backyard, jumping on the trampoline with my kids. Love to go to the beach or go on walk, just really spending time together. I also love playing sports when I get the opportunity, and the family schedule allows for that. I love to be able to play a game of pickup basketball or play spike ball or frisbee with friends or something like that. We say all the time, we work to live, we don't live to work. I can honestly say that that's been true, just knowing that the company values not just the employees, but the families of the employees has been really encouraging to me.